Hey everybody, BJ from Brokers Marine and Sport in Camrose. Today we're taking a look at the 2018 Lund 1600 Fury SS. This boat is in Arctic white. We also carry it in black. Comes on an easy loader galvanized trailer just like the rest of our boats do. Has a spare tire, swing hitch, and a jack. The boat is powered by a 40 horse Evinrude E-Tec with an aluminum prop on it. If you do want to upgrade to a stainless steel prop, our parts department can help you with that for sure. We're going to take a look at some of the features of this boat. Right here you have your foldable ladder that stows in the nice little mesh package there. Rod storage on either side. Multiple pedestal bases. There's two back here as well as one in the bow. You got the two seats for it. Your gauge cluster with your RPMs and your speed, as well as a Lawrence 3 fish finder. Moving up into the bow, you have a nice big live well here, as well as pass-through storage and a spot for a battery to power up that fish finder, as well as if you want to mount a bow mount trolling motor on here. Plug's already wired in for that as well. This boat has a lot of room to grow with the fishermen, so if you're looking for a first boat to get on the water and want that Lund quality, this is a great option. And if you want to dress it up a little bit with trolling motors or anything else, our parts and service department are more than happy to help. If you have any questions on this boat or any of the boats that we carry, give us a shout, visit us online, brokersmarine.com, or better yet, come on down and see us in Camrose at 4746 41st Street.